Want to know how to use Kimi AI for coding help? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Kimi.com website. So you can just simply hit on to Kimi.com and make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch that. So now, once you have logged in, you should be provided with this interface. And in order to find help with coding, you can either directly go towards Kimi Code, which gives you a lot of good and help on Kimi coding, but it's paid and it requires a subscription. So you can just simply head towards the new site and talk with the AI itself. So you can just simply find help with any coding. So I'm just going to do a basic one. So as you can see, the Kimi coding helps you with coding as well, just like this right here. And you don't specifically require a Kimi code, but it has less features, but it will help you out just like this. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.